You already know the why behind simplifying your natural hair routine. You've lived the overwhelm. You've seen the stress and the clutter drawers, and now you want something different. So this video is not about theory, it's about practice. 5 practical clear steps to help you build your first simple natural hair system. Something you can actually use this week to save you time, money, energy, and mental space. The first system is your core routine. Strip back to the essentials. Cleansing, conditioning, and styling. That's it. Most of the stress we have as naturals comes from layering on too many products, too many steps, too many expectations of what we think our natural hair should look like, how we think it should behave. So here's your action. Write down 3 anchors: cleanse, condition, and style, and assign just one product to each of these categories. Perhaps 2 or 3 to your styling category, but no more. For the first month, these are your defaults. It gives your brain a clear starting point. The second system is your signature style, the one style that you can do on autopilot, that looks good for a few days, that you like doing, that makes you like your hair. Here's the trap. Most of us cycle through a dozen different looks and end up losing time and consistency. A signature style saves you, whether it's a twist out, a braid out, a puff, a bun, a wash and go. The point is to pick one and practice it until it becomes second nature. Then you can pick another style and practice that until it becomes second nature, and you can have 2 to 3 styles that you can do anywhere at any time with 2 to 3 stylers each. So ask yourself, if I had 20 minutes before work or class, what could I do? What could I rely on? That is your signature style. Decide on it, practice it until you make it your default every day, until it becomes muscle memory before adding another style to your list. The third system is your wash day workflow. Wash day is where a lot of the overwhelm hides. Wash day expands to fill the day if you let it. Here's what you can do. Treat wash day like a workflow, not like a drama production. 4 parts only. You pre-poo, if that's what you need. You shampoo, you condition and detangle, and then you style your hair. That's it. Cap the whole thing at an hour and a half maximum, maybe excluding pre-pooing. You can do it. Your action is, when next wash day comes, set a timer. Track how long each stage takes. Maybe you'll discover that detangling your hair section by section under running water with tons of conditioner cuts the time in half. Or maybe you discover that your style sets faster if you do it on damp hair than if you did it on wet hair. The point is to systemize the process so it becomes repeatable, it becomes predictable, less exhausting, and enjoyable, so you can go through your wash day just doing your hair, enjoying your life, and doing your thing. The fourth system is your capsule. This is where you've got to resist the urge to hoard products just in case. Think of it as a minimalist wardrobe, but for your hair. You just need a few products. That's it. Put them in a basket, and for 30 days, for 1 whole month, these are the only products you need. This eliminates decision fatigue, saves you money, and teaches your hair how to respond to a product and you how to interpret that response. Here's your action. Go through your shelf and pick 5 to 8 products and put everything else away. So, you've got your shampoo, your conditioner, and your 3 stylers for this one style. Another 3 stylers for another style. Right? And put everything away. Out of sight, out of mind. Your capsule becomes your system, and declutter while you are at it. The fifth system is your maintenance. Simplification isn't just about wash day. It's also about what happens in between wash days. So here's your weekly structure. 1 refresh if needed. If needed, decide what your nighttime routine is, what your midweek routine is, and check your ends while you're at it. Are they fraying? Are they rough? Are they protected? Pick one day, maybe Sunday night, and set a 10-minute alarm for this check-in. This keeps small issues from compounding and turning into major setbacks. The key is not to build a perfect routine, no, it's to build a reliable system you can always come back to. So tell me in the comments, which one of these are you starting with? And if you want help building your product capsule and your routine step by step, take my free 7-day email course. It gives you the structure and the clarity you need so you don't waste another another year starting over. The link is in the description box below. Thank you so much for hanging with me today. I'll catch you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.